PRYME has been in the two-way radio industry since the mid-90s and is known for OEM quality audio accessories at affordable prices with excellent customer care. In this video, I will go over PRYME earbuds, foam ear tips, ear inserts, and earplugs. PRYME silicone rubber earbuds are offered in 3 colors: standard, clear, and black, and 2 designs. The dual bud is only available in standard. Earbuds are sold at a discounted price when you buy a pack of 10 or a pack of 100. Comply ear tips are made of a soft, viscoelastic foam which conforms to the ear canal. They are engineered to deliver maximum comfort. Comp canal tips are available in 3 different sizes: small, standard, and large. The most popular is standard and is sold individually and in packs of 3 or 100. The small and large sizes are only sold in packs of 100. If your goal is to maintain situational awareness, you should purchase the Comp Aware tips. They are designed to allow ambient sound to enter the ear. Comp Aware tips also have a filter which helps to keep moisture and debris from entering the acoustic tube. They are sold in 2 packs, in standard or large size only. PRYME offers 2 different styles of ear inserts: the flexible open ear semi-custom ear mold, which has been around for decades, and the soft silicone ear insert, which has only been around for a couple years. Our semi-custom open ear inserts are available for the left and right ear in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. They are designed to not block the ear canal and are comfortable enough to be worn for long periods of time. The most popular is the medium left, part number P-EMML. Sizing kits are available to help you find the right size for your ear. The sizing kits include one of each size, but you will need to choose a side, left or right. The PRYME soft silicone ear insert is made of soft silicone and is available for left or right ear in small, medium, or large. Sizing kits for the soft silicone ear inserts are also available. If you need hearing protection, try PNAP earplugs. They are sold as pairs: 1 foam plug for your acoustic tube elbow and 1 for your other ear. Call or email us if you have questions about any of our products.